Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the PDF plotter. Choose DWG to PDF, PC3 or Microsoft Print to PDF because they embed vector data. Once done, open Page Setup Manager and create a new page setup for this layout. Make sure to pick the correct paper size and units, then set the plot area. Select Layout for full sheet or window to specify an exact region. You do this now, so scaling and orientation are controlled before any further adjustments. Now configure scale and appearance. Set the plot scale to an exact value, 1 for model space, or a drawing notation like 1/8 equals 1 for sheets, so dimensions stay accurate. Next, pick a plot style table. Choose a CTB or STB that controls color to pen mapping. Use monochrome. CTB if you want black and white output. Then inspect line weights and set raster quality or vector options to balance file size versus crispness. Preview to confirm everything aligns visually. You finish by clicking Plot or Publish for multiple sheets. Pick the PDF file name and location and save. Once the file is created, open it and verify scale with a known dimension, inspect line weights and layer visibility, and confirm text and fonts rendered correctly. If something is off, stop and fix the source. Reassign the plot style table, correct the plot scale, or embed fonts, then re-export. A key troubleshooting tip: always use the preview to catch errors before creating final PDFs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.